System errors causing the immediate mode. Graphical User Interface DLL crashes in Dear ImGui, Graphical User Interface. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. Quickly resolve immediate mode. Graphical User Interface inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the immediate mode Graphical User Interface, a localized port of the Dear ImGui immediate mode Graphical User Interface library. It is used in modding tools, game trainers, and hardware overlays, like MangoHud, to draw lightweight windows. Missing Imgui.dll causes the overlay to fail to render, often resulting in the host application crashing during the UI draw call. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. The presence of immediate mode, Graphical User Interface DLL, is mandatory for Dear ImGui, Graphical User Interface, to initialize the engine, and a full reinstallation of your main application suite, with the error, will resolve the error by deploying a fresh copy of the library. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the immediate mode Graphical User Interface file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lockt_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Be aware that manual interventions for immediate mode Graphical User Interface DLL often create secondary conflicts. Using an incorrect file version can cause cascading application crashes, making your workstation significantly less stable than before. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. To ensure your system configuration matches its capabilities, the repair resource below provides informational guidance on immediate mode Graphical User Interface. To support our technical team and receive updates on immediate mode Graphical User Interface resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.